Hello everyone, and welcome to this tutorial explaining how you can leverage ontologies and vocabularies to build an end-user interface with metaphactory. Let's dive right in and first have a look at some of the instance data we have in our system. We'll use the quick search that comes with metaphactory out of the box and search for metafacts. When we click on metafacts, a default page used to render all instances of type organization opens up. Here we can see all the information available about metafacts, the label, projects related to metafacts, and its members. If we now search for a different resource, for example, digital science, we'll see the same default page open up with the same set of information, this time for a different organization. So how does the user interface work and how do we generate such default template pages? You have probably noticed the Edit Page button that is available on the top right of most pages. This is a template mechanism for displaying information. When we click on Edit Page, it in fact looks like an empty page because this is a template page. So on the right panel we see the template for organizations, meaning that this template will be applied to all instances of type organization. Now let's have a look at this template. Here we see the low-code platform approach in Metafactory that uses HTML and CSS and a number of components that can be parameterized. For example, the semantic query component is used to display labels and other information related to this particular organization. Many of the components available in Metafactory work in a similar way, where they can read the underlying knowledge graph. You will also notice that the platform itself is built using its own template mechanism. So all ontologies use the same template, and so on. And this concludes our intro to Metafactory's model-driven user interface. Thank you for watching.